Hello everyone. So I'll just do a simple demonstration for the simple paint program that I've done in Java. Java is very powerful, very powerful tool, programming language, which is kind of like object oriented. We have classes, we have objects, and then I also learned that we have inheritance and we have encapsulation. And these are some of the interesting things that we see that Java offers. So I've done a simple paint program. We can see this is an example already of inheritance. Paint program extends JFrame. Extends means that paint program is becoming a child class of JFrame. So JFrame kind of like highlights the whole frame of the program. So this is it's kind of a desktop application. I'll just start at the bottom here. Also, it also highlights a bit of inheritance. We see that oval extends shape, and shape has this class called draw. So this method called draw. So draw kind of like draws out that shape in the paint program. We have different shapes like oval, we have different rectangle, we have line. Just put this down a bit. We have line, and then we have brush stroke, and then we have shape. So as you can see, we have the draw method in the shape, and yeah. So we also have this switch statement within Java where we can select only one. We cannot select one shape at a time, whether it's a line or a rectangle or oval or brush stroke, whatever we may choose to do at that time. We can only pick one. You will see that as I demonstrate the program. And yeah, and so then now we look at here the buttons. We have some buttons up there in the panel, in the J panel, like the brush button, line button, rectangular button, oval button, and all of that. We also have some event listeners to listen in for what are you called, mouse events, whether it's clicking, whether it is dragging to draw out something. We have all that in the program, and we add this to the toolbar. As you can see, the toolbar is a J panel. This is that panel up there, like this, for example. Yeah, so that's what we have for this simple paint program. Very simple basic paint program. We can see that this is the class, the paint program class, but we are actually calling it out here so that we can run the program. So when we run the program, we'll just run it super fast here, and we run. It is running. I'll just bring it to the screen. When we run, we see that you can see that is the class, the program. And so you can see you can select brush. You can see you can draw out a brush. This slider here is for the size of the brush. You can look at that. The brush is a bit bigger. You can choose a line, draw out a line, straight line. Rectangle, you can draw it out. Oval, you can draw it out. But as you can see, we cannot do one color at a time. I guess oval also turns out to be a circle, so we don't have to add the circle class or a circle button. And then we can see we can also choose a color. Let's say like yellow, which is my favorite color, and we'll draw out maybe a yellow circle. And yeah, that's just a little bit of what I learned in Java: encapsulation, inheritance. And I think one of the best places that we had to apply this was through a GUI program, which had a great demonstration of those principles of encapsulation and inheritance and some of the Java's object-oriented principles. Thank you very much, and this is my presentation for Module 1. My name is Ernest Ozako. Thank you.